I know one thing we want. Now, I know one thing we want to know is, what are the toilets like in the Fiat factory? Well, here we go. We've got a nice little walk-in shower. I'm going to step myself right back because I can't adjust the camera. Look at that nice sort of step-in shower. That's rather a nice large shower. That's me. Hello, how are you doing? And then we've got, toilet and a bidet. And look, we have a toilet brush. Because you will be surprised at how many hotels you go to don't have a toilet brush. And sometimes when you've done and left your signature, you want to be able to put away. Sometimes you can't. But yeah, look at that. What's this? Oh, is that the... Oh, that's the flush. Oh, there we go. I know, I don't come out on my own often. And then we go around here and we've got teas and coffees and something. Well, not teas and coffees, but we've got a fridge. Oh, a fridge. There's some milk in. Where's the coffee machine? This is it. This is Italy. Where's the coffee machine? Oh, what's there? Oh, that's a salad or something. Where's the coffee machine? There's no coffee machine. I've got cups. Right, I'm sure. No, it's right. Look, here we are. As you can tell, I haven't looked around the room. There we go. We've got coffee. Oh, now instant. What the fuck is that? Look at that. Instant. Come to Italy. Come to Italy, and I've been given instant coffee. Fuck it. I'm going home. Going home. Bye. I'm going home. I'm fucking off. No. Oh, fuck me. I can't. Oh, why is that not focusing? Hang on. Oh, there we are. And here's so it's quite nice. This was part of the factory. So you imagine little cars were made and trundled through here. And yeah, as you can tell, I've made myself quite at home. I know. I look like I've been robbed. I'll come back in after. Oh, I could have been burgled. And look, we've got this timeline here of all Fiat stuff, which I haven't, to be honest with you, had to look through as I've come here. But then we go, oh, we've got some words here. Oh, I'll tell you those in a moment. There we go. So, oh, look at that. Oh, right. Anyway, through all of that, there is something here. 1922, Lingotto di Torino, that factory. It says here, Lingotto Fiat factory, designed by the engineer Giacomo Trucco, was built in the 1920s. It is one of the best examples of early industrial architectural expressions made of reinforced concrete. It is famous all over the world for its car test track on the roof of the building, the place where the minis went. After the closing of the plant in 1982, the well-known architect Renzo Piano rethought Lingotto as a new multifunctional centre, transforming it into the symbol of advanced territory production of the city of Torino. The large spaces now host company headquarters, a shopping gallery, an exhibition centre, 2 4-star hotels, a conference centre with an auditorium, a multiplex cinema, departments of the Politecnico University, I may have said that slightly wrong, I do apologise, of Torino, La Bolla, an exclusive meeting room hanging 40 metres from the ground, Giovanni e Mirella Agnelli Pinacoteca Art Gallery. Ooh. All of this is served by a huge outdoor and indoor car park. You've got to love the Italians. They do love a car park because they like their cars. Unlike in England, oh no, we're going to turn that into a pedestrian zone, turn that into a pedestrian zone. Oh Christ, no one goes anywhere. Live last century design with last century design with us and have fun trying to identify the furnitures in your room. Enjoy your stay. Oh, so that is what all of this stuff here is, this sort of chair thing and chair thing and chair thing and something and another chair, because I've got a chair there. So I'm going to have to look through this and I'll take pictures and then I think I'll find out where it is on here. Now, found it. Right. That Politena 631, just that must be what I've been sitting on over there when I read the Alfa 75. That chair there looks like one of those. A Sedia 144 March stamp. Honestly, if that's 1926, that's done very well for 1926. Quite sure it's not 1926. Now, I've got a table there, but I don't think the table is part of it. Oh, there is a lamp. No, the lamp is actually screwed into the wall. And that lamp is, let's have a look. So it's an upright lamp with a bulbous thing. Well, it's not one of those. Shame. I like that. It's not. Oh, I've got one of those tables. No, I haven't got one of those. I haven't got one of those. Oh, what's that? Is that over there? No, that's not over there. No, they're modern stuff. Or is it modern stuff? What's that? Ah, that lamp. Must be that. Must be that one. I've got these stuck to the wall. 1985. I like those. So if we could just, oh no, I'll show. I do apologise. I'm showing you where the lamps are, and I'm not even fucking showing you where because I'm showing too high up. So you've got that one there. That's my lamps in my room. And oh, there they are. That's that lamp by the window. 1992. So I've got lots of architecture in here. Oh, architecture, as my mate Dave's best friend says. Architecture. It's all about architecture and smoke detector and a big TV. So there we go. Anyway. I know, it's just a run round of a room because I tell you, as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm quite excited because this is literally staying in the Fiat factory. It's like fucking amazing. It really is amazing. I'm just like, oh, wow, actually, I know one place I'm going to take you to. We'll just go into the corridor. Hang on, take my door card. Corridor of the Fiat factory. This was the Fiat factory. This is so exciting. So there we go. And there's some people walking down. You'd probably think, I'm a bit of a fucking lunatic, but you know, staying in the Fiat factory. The Fiat factory! Wow. Anyway, I think that's enough of me rabbiting on and getting excited. Oh, look, nice glass table. Yeah, anyway, on you go. Take care. See you soon.